Always we dey make sure say we get una waiting, una want musically, and we dey satisfy una musical libido, and we dey take una before
four corners of Africa.
Before let's say corner, go say NG. What are you? Yes, sir. I say you go South Africa.
No, Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
I'm going to Ethiopia, yes.
You should buy or give
both.
Africa Tempo, the only program where they take you any side where you want to go now. Africa musically, where they make you see videos of artists, them where they promote their traditional music and the traditional instruments into the music for sure. It is seems like French, but most likely some of them he use the local language and instruments into the music. So that's also what we call present all salon artists.
Yeah, most often salon beaucoup people if you say you for go school or you forget degree before you be an artist. You know, possibly being so. Music or entertainment, it means say you forget your talent and you for born with them and you for go inside the talent. And try for do something where you feel say a good who will sell out the particular area where you live.
You said I say don't go studio, you do a song now.
No, I'm not keep that side first. You know.
Africa Tempo, the only program they make you get Pambulem, Freetown, Sierra Leone, out of Sierra Leone, we make sure we do about musically, and we get package of good African songs.
Oh yes, super collection, super collection.
What's how we send it?
Well, if we go start, we get 100 people in far Africa, that country where not that much popular to Sierra Leoneans and Comoros Island.
Okay.
Yes, inside Comoros Island, we get the lady by the name of Sami La Pernoir. Now, I mean, I mean the black pear. As you know, pear mean a special gem with very much value, and as far as gem is concerned. And this lady get a song titled Salama Salimina. And this is a traditional wedding song, when a grand wedding, we always and they do inside that part of the country, when I Comoros Island. And it's expensive. You go don't do your first wedding, but you must get a big money for you the grand wedding. And forever then they do the grand wedding and the particular song is when they sing.
And from there, they come right down Gabon for casting a wonderful young lady again, where instead they do very well inside the musical industry in Gabon, and as somebody this, where they call La Reine, meaning the queen of the Gabonese traditional music, and in name Amandine La Reine. In the count with a tattoo in a Piname. And this now a tribe where they call Fan. If you look inside this lady in music where they sing, you'll find out say a little bit of local and Mende they inside this lady in language where they call Fan Gabon. And we only say to the Gabonese and say election time, when you vote for somebody, if they say that the next man win, agree, just forget about everything. So they ask to all the Gabonese and say la guerre n'est pas un mot, la guerre ou la guerre c'est quelque chose qui tue les gens. Just for tell you say war na something they destroy people and they put people in the end. Then we try to come together and at least see how this Gabonese country Uma Bongo die left. And if like they can win, okay, una give. If not saying win, una do them in a positive way than for go and kill yourself and burn the parliament or burn shop there, thief or kill people, then not poor people don't die. This is very, very, very bad. So we send an SOS to them say, let peace be in that one of the country. Yeah? And the title once more again, a Piname, it just means advice you for taker. African Tempo. What you program will do?
Best satisfaction in entertainment.
Mina Priscilla Kuruma. I attend Real Women Institution, Makeni. Well, my best program I left much for watching my SLBC, na Tempo. This program here so, na a program where they educate we bad because during the time when they all music let me play the music movie for so no meet again. Then always they carry the music and we watch how we able know what we don't pass before. And the difference we see with waiting they happen now. So we encourage beyond artists in Sierra Leone to make them able to go copy their style and they from their own artists and they let them go get their style and they so what's waiting.
wankula yala malo malo na kala wankula yala buwa wala na tama wankula tiga buwa nga wala na kala kana kuwa mana tama wala malo na kala wankula yala nga wala na tama nga wala na kala wankula tiga buwa malo malo na tama wankula yala nga wala na kala kana kuwa mana tama wala malo na tama yele nana wala na kala esebe kuwa mana tama wala malo na tama nga wala na kala wankula tiga buwa nga wala na tama wankula yala Mama,
hope say when I don't get them 2 good videos here, one from Comoros Island, another one from
Gabon.
Gabon, and we always say let peace in another country. And we take on another 3 good African country,
one from Ivory Coast or Guinea. Because I will say so because now Guinean ladies them, but presently they're based inside Ivory Coast. We call them, they go to Kotiba. I mean the ladies of Kotiba, the area where they call the Kotiba. And I dancers them, 3 ladies them dance. But they don't take inside musical industry, though they're young, but they don't dance stage. So if you continue, you dance no more, always they dance no more. You artists, you need artists they sing. You self they own the music. You think I say, oh, you self able to do this thing. So they self come up and say, Lord do something, more test vocal power. So they do a song called Barala. Yeah, I mean, work for work.
And from there also we come down Mama Salute and Isari McKinney, and this Mama Cecilia Sanja, we na the wife, the honorable wife of the heaviest music producer inside this part of the country, we na Sanja of the Sangenic Studio. They do this song, they call them Gombui. Then Pamide, Gombui mean devil. And this is a song about a story where a devil they terrorize the whole village. They kill people, I mean, destroy land, destroy property, they bring sickness, disease. The woman they lament about the problems and what the devil cause. And I believe so you will enjoy the video. They will go right down South Africa for see Mama Yvonne Chaka Chaka, we presently get an accident where one foot get a little bit of problem. But you know what, bring there now a female activist also in South Africa, a mother of 4 children, and also a respectable husband where he gets where you know things together with her. In the car with a title winner, Bombani. As we all know, this woman, this woman, they sing most of his songs inside English, and at times people like accept if this woman will sing inside in local language when Zulu. He don't do one when Unkomboti, and he don't do a lot of one when Mama Motherland, when a very good song again, and the kind of this title when Bombani, where it just mean bomber, as you can say. But here, in the time for tell you say, most of the big people in South Africa, people that don't work for the peace in South Africa, like Nelson Mandela and others, it's time for tell you say, one of good people, one of people that really they promote to call peace and harmony in South Africa. Once again, African Tech, the only problem we get to see what is the happen musically.
My name is Koma. My president can call me the president's mother. At the time, we are Lumen Educational Institute at the Corona Pala. I like to watch African tempo, especially where we can see the whole thing them where they count, especially with the young one and how they show you what thing don't happen with past, we first the people the kind way they sing music, the kind way they act. I like for they watch anything they do, and also I want artists that they in a salon they fit them for copy and we the young one and back for live.
Tale mo apama. Tale mo esa mama. Blue esa ben tinyania. Age wo. Gong mawe. Tale mo apama. Tale mo esa mama. Blue esa ben tinyania. Age wo. Gong mawe.
africanos, este aqui é o nosso tempo de todos nós para deixarmos alegres, meus amigos. Vamos dançar, que é o presidente, que é o ministro, esse aqui é o nosso tempo para dançar. Vamos dançar alegres. Sul-africanos, africanos, todos os africanos sejam alegres. Rapaz,
this lady begin for dance with the Yondo sisters, Kongudi Axi, and from there it looks it's a bit dance and people they appreciate all what they do, and he decide for come into the vocal aspect of the musical industry, and he get for test in vocal aspect, and pop, he fly out of Africa. In name na Yondo sister, what they call the funky lady, the African funky lady. And they carry with a title na Mbuta Mutu, a very good song, a song where na a love song where inside this video somebody the way they dance. This guy I always admire this guy because at times when they dance you will feel say you don't get bone at all. And if Motaman the way they dance like this guy, will trust me, I don't know how we forgot that type of Motaman. And they maybe not somebody come up from nowhere. And Yondo sister himself made a left and give this guy. As the guy said, they dance, so himself said dance. Wonderful video, and I show you another for appreciate. And from there,
we dey go Ivory Coast, we will go get we go as them on a magic system. And this song they call am Gaou. It mean forceful. This is a song about a young man where we get money and he deal with this young lady with them they patch life together. But the guy with the spend palace lady, but the lady can't think and say the man a munku. So he eats all the money, everything done. So everything done, he left the man. And with time, the guy gets a talent because the guy good in singing. So he begin exhibit this talent. So with time, he can grow in a life. And when he can grow, they begin play human music then on radio and television. So one time come, but the lady they watch television, they happen to see this young man. And I say, oh, look me mungu, he don't catch him back. Now I go for go it back. So he go for go meet the guy again. Now the guy think and say no. He say forceful, now full. Say but some come full. He say na munku by container. So the guy don't begin the chance. But this an example, direct example of artists them inside Sierra Leone where they think about the magic system. They don't do well. And if you watch this video, the way how this guy be there, and to now the way I don't dey, you see say entertainment they pay really in another country and they compare to Sierra Leone. So I want the entertainment industry they take note of it now. Again, we dey go down Mali, the western part of Africa, and the Sahara Desert, Timbuktu. We go meet Mama Umu Sangari, and this is a perfect song, a song where they hit all of Africa, especially Sierra Leone during the conflict areas. Them and the song that this song will console me people. Them Umu Sangari do this song. They call it Andia. It means the world today. It means the world, the trouble all will go on in the world. But we all know the Andia today. But this is a feature a man by the name of Bodhisattva. This a Malian, but he don't based in France, and now he decided say, you know what, make this music type. So it's therefore design a call the music to another style, so they go dance and dance all other clubs in. So again another beating, and this song na Andia, and you must stay watch connected to the television. This is an African temple. Always the give the best.
Ngoya ngozo kane ya boye oh, à Salvo, Mayel, oh. L'argent est fini, en tout a changé de côté, oh. Maribana, elle a changé de côté, oh. Nangere, nangere, wa. Nangere, nangere, wa. Nangere, nangere, wa. Nangere, nangere, wa. Dieu merci pour moi, je savais chanter un peu, oh. J'ai fait ma cassette, oh, on me voit à la télé, oh. Matin, midi, soir, c'est moi, je chante à la radio. Quand tu as vu ça, tu le cas où à penser, oh. Attends, je vais partir le couper, oh. Mais on dit premier gaou n'est pas gaou, oh. C'est deuxième gaou qui est nyata, oh. Gaou n'est pas gaou, oh. C'est deuxième gaou qui est nyata, oh. Dimanche matin et coco, on frappe à ma porte, oh. À ma grande surprise, oh, c'est la go en tout, je vois, oh. Assemblage, j'ai dit, oh, y'a longtemps, c'est plus revu, oh. Elle veut me mentir, oh, elle dit, chérie, j'avais voyagé, oh. Je suis de retour, oh. Tu t'appartiens, oh. Prends-moi cadeau, oh. Fais ce que tu veux, oh. Premier gaou n'est pas gaou, oh. Deuxième gaou qui est nyata, oh. J'ai dit chérie Coco, qu'est-ce que tu fais manger, oh. Ça même hésite, oh. Elle me dit poulet braisé, oh. Quand on te dit premier gaou n'est pas gaou, oh. C'est deuxième gaou qui est nyata, oh. J'ai dit chérie Coco, le poulet tu veux manger, oh. Poulet est trop petit, oh. Ça peut pas te rassasier, oh. C'est carrément braisé, oh. Je vais te donner, oh. Les genoux d'éléphant, oh. Tu vas manger, oh. Nangere, nangere, wa. Nangere, nangere, wa. Elle est fâchée, elle dit elle s'en va à la maison, oh. Si elle va à la maison, population va me tuer, oh. Je lui ai demandé pardon et elle a accepté, oh. À un moment donné, elle a tout gâté, oh. Elle est quittée dans le poulet, elle s'en va dans le logo. Ici c'est un logo, c'est pas compliqué, oh. C'est plantation de bananes, oh. Tu vas crier, oh. Au lieu de fourchette, oh. Ça fait pas bien piquer, oh. C'est avec plateau, oh. Tu vas manger, oh. Nangere, nangere, wa. Nangere, nangere, wa. Nangere, nangere, wa. Nangere, nangere, wa. Mais on dit premier gaou n'est pas gaou, oh. C'est deuxième gaou qui est nyata, oh. Quand gaou, oh. Les poupées gaou, oh. Sorodio gaou, oh. Sabindo so gaou, oh. Angelo gaou, oh. Kokorino gaou, oh. Eda nyata, oh. Jefi nyata, oh. Kade nyata, oh. Kade kuma nyata, oh. Eda nyata, oh. Kade Michel gaou, oh. Emile gaou, oh. Koko Kema gaou, oh. Honoré gaou, oh. J'ai dit qui dansa, oh. Regarde ta science, oh. J'ai dit qui dansa, oh. Nangere, nangere, wa. Oh, qui dansa, oh. On dit premier gaou n'est pas gaou, oh. C'est deuxième gaou qui est nyata, oh. On dit premier gaou n'est pas gaou, oh.
come out with 2 good videos. One they come out Mama Salon,
and the other one they come out Nigeria.
And from Mama Salon we get Disco Daddy. He calls himself Disco Daddy. But I'm surprised why he use Disco Daddy, because not to disco music they play. They play typical traditional music there. So Disco Daddy, if you watch this program, please I want to change that name to a typical traditional name. They can or like Parmesan, you know, that kind of names and they very, very nice than you take Disco Daddy. But they can't wait a title when you sabi. And if Disco Daddy you sabi, upside one the way they watch yourself sabi you and they will tell you say yes, if you change that name now come to a typical Sierra Leone and African name where we will send you out of Sierra Leone. Let me go say Tata next week, Michael Thomas Janis Temple, aka African Temple Senior.
Well, just like how African Temple Senior they say, you need to be Sierra Leonean before you be African. And when you be African, and the international world will recognize you.
And in one word, you will say you will be local.
Local.
Before you be national. And from there you will be
international.
Okay.
Well, one was a plenty. Thank you to viewers and I hope you enjoy this show. And I will end up with this one from the Igbo land of Nigeria, Pale Ground. They call this Man Must Walk. And this is a song for the lazy man them who know how walk and they want it. And he happen say this man they he go marry a woman with all passer, will big passer, will get 10 passer, and he no walk. So what did he do? Now for thief. He end up say the woman can born picking and he for take care of that picking. So the man go thief. For example, he go thief goat. He go thief the goat, he can give his picking, say go sell this goat. When the bobo go na market for go sell the goat, all that thief man go thief the goat. So the bobo can house, the pa ask am. He say what the money? Now the bobo say, he said the reason why you buy the goats, and so I take sell the goats. So if you know say you know that man who for take care of your family, you need for work. So I will end up with this last song when a man must walk from Pale Ground, Igbo land of Nigeria. And Fambula Una, thank you. Me na Ebenezer Freeman Sise. He call me African Temple Junior. Tata, have a splendid weekend.
Aha! Okuli bata music one. I say D-I-S-C-O. You sabi, so. You sabi, so daddy, you sabi, so. You sabi, so. You sabi, so daddy, you sabi, so. You sabi, so. I say
Disco daddy, you sabi so. You sabi. Disco you sabi so. You sabi. Disco daddy, you sabi so. You sabi. Disco you sabi so. Now me come so. Now me come so. Now me come so. This cannot affect nobody. Now me come so. Now me come so. Now me come so. This cannot cost nobody. Everybody. Everybody, everybody, jump up and clap your hands. Everybody, 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 jump up and clap your hands. You sabi so. You sabi, disco daddy, you sabi so. You sabi, disco you sabi so. You sabi, disco daddy, you sabi so. You sabi, disco you sabi so. Na me can so. Na me can so. Whatever you they do, and then you are breathing. You know, must work. Whether good or bad, you know, must work. One shot to man, one shot to man. The man in a buggy, not the footy man. The money went and the married. The money went and the married. If he ring him wife, if he ring him wife, the money makes some change. He catch the bubble. She born no man a child. She born no man a child. The child they go to. The child they go to. Oh my son, you not get on the walk. I go give you walk. I go give you walk. And he might walk. The boy begin to laugh. One Saturday, the money went and tea. And I eat the goat. He be ring the goat. He be ring the goat. Then he come for house. Then he call out that the boy.
bogino. Another tifu man. The tifu that he go. From that boy, the boy return for her. The father asked the boy, how much you say he go? How much you say he go? The boy call him daddy. I see you body good. And so I say the goat. His father begin to shout. Waiting be this. Waiting you the talk. The boy call him daddy. I see you body good. And so I say the goat. I carry the goat to market. When I reach to market, where did they say the goat? Another bogey. Another bogey. The food that he go to. Are you the talk? Say whether good or bad. Everybody go job. Everybody go work. Either you are a beggar. You know man must work. Whether you are a trader. As far as you are living, you know man must work. And man must work.